I am Kimberly Thibodeaux, and welcome to Radiance by Kimberly. I am so excited to tell you about this new channel. I've been wanting to do this for such a long time. And in order for you to understand what I'm talking about, let's go back. Because I've actually been in online marketing for a couple of years. And I've learned a lot. I was in the Make Money Online space. I learned so much. It's incredible. And I met the most amazing people along the way. People who were farther ahead than me, people who had so much knowledge, and I really tried to take that to heart. But as I was learning these new skills, something was missing. I really did not feel a connection. And that's so important, don't you think? We need to feel connected to what we're doing. And I wanted to do something that I love. What do I love? I love makeup. I love skincare. I love beauty. I love helping people feel beautiful. I can't tell you the number of times I walk down the street and I just want to grab somebody and say, let me just tweak that for you just a little. But of course I don't. But this is my way to help tweak you if you want to be tweaked. If not, let's still have fun anyway, because we're going to be talking about skincare, proper skincare. We're going to be talking about makeup, lots of makeup applications. You know, I may do some unboxing. It's just, we'll see how the channel evolves. But more than anything, I want to be a teacher. And I also want to be a fellow student, because there may be some things along the way that I don't know how to do that we'll learn together. And I think that'd be a lot of fun, don't you? And so, speaking as one plus 50, to my fellow plus 50s, plus 40s, this channel is for you. You know, there's a lot of channels out there and they're great, but honestly, they're for a younger crowd, you know, and that's great, good for them. I wish I'd have started when I was 20. Of course, there was no such thing as the internet when I was 20, right? But I want this to be for us. And I'm going to tell you something else. Who said you can't sparkle? Who said you have to cut your hair just because you're over 40 or over 50? You don't have to. I love sparkle. I love glitter. I love highlights. I love it all. And I don't want to feel like just because I'm a certain age, that precludes me from being able to have fun. Don't you want to have fun? You know, mats have their place. Mat. Great. I wear mats sometimes too, but I like to sparkle. So let's sparkle together. And, you know, moving forward, I'd love to know what you would love to learn. And like I said, we're going to learn together sometimes too. I don't know how to wear false eyelashes because they were always put on me. So we're going to learn how to do that together. That should be fun. So if you like what you hear, if you want to come back, please subscribe, hit the bell, tell your friends, and let's have some fun. Let's have some over 50 sparkly fun, huh? So, like I said, please subscribe, hit the bell, and that way you won't miss my next videos. There's going to be a lot of them. We're just getting started. So come along on my journey. Let's share this together. And let's all be radiant. So until next time, this is Radiance by Kimberly.